Fan through with hydrochem system, going through startup procedures here at GFO Environmental. Yeah, so what we'll do is, yeah, you got the bypass open, go ahead to the front. We already checked the oil and everything else and plenty of fuel. So, coming up front, you can obviously, we already checked the oil. Now, I hardly ever choke it, so a little bit of choke. When you start the engine, I pump it a little bit because it should start pretty good. You could try with hardly any choke on in the beginning and then pull the choke if you need it. Okay, turn the bypass off. Hose roll on. We're averaging 2 trash bins a minute. That's up, that's loading, lifting, interior, exterior washing, and dropping it down and getting ready to repack. So 2 trash bins a minute. Usually we're using ultra high temperature steam and high volume hot water. This is 9 gallon a minute at 3,500.